Hello everybody, let me introduce our service, Plandex. Plandex is a web-based application for search, evaluation and comparison of places, including cities, districts and buildings, based on quality of live indexes. Let's see how it works. Go to mvp.plandex.ru. On the left, you can see the menu of user interests. There are ecology, transportation, health, kids, sport, neighborhood and shopping section. At the moment of recording this video, we have finished only ecology section. So, color map reflects ecology situation at Moscow. Red shows the point where ecology bad. Green shows the points where ecology good. That's easy. You can zoom in or out. With a strong zoom, it will display polygons of homes. At Ecology submenu, you see three sections. Object which improves the environment, pollens, air condition statistic. Let's click on object which improves the environment. Map changed. Map reflects ecology good object and their positive influence. You can see the index and object separately. In MVP, we use only some objects which improve the environment. Parks, rivers, lakes. In the future, will be much more. Now, let's see pollens. You also can see different objects and pollution index. You also see index and object separately. Main pollution objects are thermal power plants, boiler plants and industrial zones, and different kinds of roads. Last ecology menu item shows different air condition statistic at Moscow. Every day we add new features to Plandex. You can see current version on mvp.plandex.ru. Thank you for your attention.